Hello everyone, welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We've been having a lot of fun making some Mediterranean style recipes. Hope you had a chance to check out last week. My niece Abby Henson was here. She showed us one of her favorite desserts, fudge brownies with walnuts on top. Hope you have a chance to check out that video and follow her recipe. And this week we mentioned we would have another special guest here to show us maybe another Mediterranean style dish with a twist. Is my multi-talented nephew Evan Henson and our great friend Tennyson White.
Hey man,
guys, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Good to see you. Tennyson, how's it going?
Good.
Good to see the Fortnite crew in person. Doesn't happen very often. Guys, what are we making today?
So today we're going to be making some ramen noodles with a little bit of a twist.
What's the twist there, Evan?
We're going to add a couple of different ingredients, try to make it taste pretty good, yeah.
Tennyson, is this kind of one of your go-to dishes?
Yes, it's very simply easy, and it gives you a lot of calories, get your energy back up for the next day. Tastes very good too.
And a long day you've had, football player, man, you know. That's the way to go. Tennyson, you're going to come back later, help us with the sauce. Evan, we switch places and you tell us the ingredients.
Sounds good. Ingredients we're going to use today are ramen noodles, red pepper, soy sauce, sugar, a couple green onions, some garlic cloves, and some vegetable oil. The first thing we're going to do is peel and dice up this garlic. After we have them peeled, we're going to go ahead and crush them with a knife and dice them up. Next, we're going to chop up some green onions.
Evan, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, thank you. Now that I got the chopping finished up here, I'm going to have Tennyson come back in and finish up the sauce.
Waiting for this, Tennyson. You got to tell us, what are the secret ingredients in this sauce, Tennyson?
Well, we'll be using soy sauce, sugar, and water. I'll start with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Want me to help you there?
Yeah.
1 teaspoon, all right. All right.
Is 1/4 cup of water.
All right, so our sauce looks good, Tennyson. What's next?
Next, we're going to add 4 cups of water and add our ramen.
And for the heat, Tennyson, what do you want to go with?
You should probably put it on medium.
Medium heat, okay.
Then you should probably stir it for 3 minutes occasionally. This is what it should look like after a couple of minutes. It should be nice. You should be able to pick it up, stir it, and soft. So after it's cooked, all we're going to do is just take the pot over to the sink and strain it. Now that we have the noodles strained, we'll bring back Evan for the sauce.
All right, Evan, what are we going to do first?
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next, we're going to add in our already chopped up onions and garlic, along with our soy sauce mixture and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Should be good.
Looks good, Evan. What about the heat?
So we're going to leave this on a low heat for 5 minutes.
Perfect.
After about 5 minutes, sauce is done, we're going to add the noodles. Go ahead and mix that in. Now we're just going to plate it and enjoy.
Guys, this smells great. Let's give it a taste test here.
You're going to see what you want to do about it. Yeah. Okay, Bobby, okay.
I love it.
I'll let you go up and
Just the right amount of spice.
It tastes awesome.
It's pretty good.
Guys, thanks so much for being here, taking time from your busy summer break. I appreciate it. Thanks to Tennyson and Evan for showing us this recipe, and I hope you join us next time for another Mediterranean style dish.
Okay.